We're the O'Briens Abroad. We've been traveling since 2017 in search of the most beautiful, delicious, and fun things to do around the world. We're homeschooling our 6-year-old and managing 3 businesses online while we travel. Wish us luck! Our first stop is to go on an hour-long ATV ride around the Chocolate Hills. I'm not sure what to expect about this, and I'm a little bit nervous because I'm wearing a dress today. So we're gonna have to figure out how to tie that up because it looks really fun. Over 1,000 small symmetrical hills cover the ground around Bohol, Philippines. The mounds are grass-covered limestone karst formations on top of a ground layer of hardened clay. Only light vegetation is able to grow roots through the limestone, and the shallow roots cause the grasses to turn brown during the dry season. The fields of brown mounds resemble chocolate kisses, hence the name Chocolate Hills. The area is just as beautiful in the wet season, though.
All right, you ready? Yes. Let's go ride some ATVs. Through the not so chocolate hills. The little green chocolate today. The chocolate's not quite ripe yet.
After playing around the base of the Chocolate Hills, we were excited to see them up close. We paid 50 cents and walked 200 steps to get to the top of a viewing platform to see the vast field of chocolate mounds. So the biggest tourist attraction on Bohol Island are the Chocolate Hills. And when you look out at the view, they seem kind of brown, so it resembles these chocolate mounds, and they've been advertised just really beautifully. So there's tons of people here and who come to the island to see this place.
It rained this week?
Yeah.
So they're not so chocolatey today.
Yeah, they're pretty lush
green
hills right now.
Yeah.
But I still think it's really beautiful.
Yeah, it's really neat.
We
All
saw
these mounds.
We saw pictures from a few days ago, and the mounds were green, and some people felt like they weren't really that beautiful or worth visiting, but I think this is really great. I'm really glad we came. It took 220 steps and 50 pesos a person to get here, but it's beautiful.
It is.
Anything? Okay. One legend states that the Chocolate Hills were formed by 2 feuding giants. The giants stood at either end of a flat field and hurled dirt at each other. The giants were soon exhausted from the fight and ended up as friends. They walked away together, forgetting about their leftover dirt mounds, which became the Chocolate Hills. Another legend tells that the Chocolate Hills were formed from the tears of a magical, youthful giant after his love, a mortal. A third legend claims the hills are the feces mounds of a monster who ate spoiled food, but that one's not nearly as much fun to talk about.